Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.
Decent Machinery's explosion-proof centrifugal fans are designed to operate safely in gas processing plants, with robust materials and motors from ABB, Siemens, and TECO. Performance curves, illustrating pressure and airflow characteristics, are thoroughly analyzed to match safety requirements. Dynamic balancing reduces the risk of vibration-related failures. Incorrect selection can result in hazardous conditions, increased maintenance, and potential explosions.
Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.